Are you looking for a way to enjoy your gazebo all year round? Look no further. Today, we'll show you how to enclose your gazebo with screens to create a private and functional outdoor space. First, measure your gazebo. This will help you determine how much screen material you'll need. Next, choose your screen material. There are a variety of different types of screens available, including mesh screens, insect screens, and privacy screens. Choose a screen material that is durable, weather-resistant, and suitable for your specific needs and preferences. The method for attaching the screens to the gazebo frame will vary depending on the type of screen and gazebo you have. Common methods for attaching screens include using Velcro, snaps, hooks, or clips. Secure the screens to the gazebo frame, making sure that they're attached securely. This will help prevent damage from wind or other weather conditions. Finally, to keep your gazebo in top condition for years to come, clean the screens regularly, inspect the screens and frame for damage, store outdoor furniture correctly, and store the gazebo correctly when it's not in use. With a little effort, you can turn your gazebo into a private and functional outdoor space that you can enjoy all year round. So what are you waiting for? Start enclosing your gazebo with screens today.